Simi's always helping me. She's always dedicating her own time to push us so that our mahi is looking the best that it could be. It wasn't just her guidance that helped us. Everything she did it with love.
I have had some really special tauira over my few years here. Ma kāko at Te Wānanga Aotearoa, and I teach the level 5 diploma or Toipai Matua program Rāranga.
When I go to the Wānanga, I like the feeling of whānau and aroha you get when you go there. They helped me to become a better person. She believed in me when I didn't believe in me, possibly when not many other people believed in me.
Teresa wasn't as confident as she could have been. She received my tohu for level 5, and her confidence now has grown and grown. The world's her oyster.
Nohos with Simi, they're fun. We always laugh. We always do our work. She's so hardworking. She's always looking after us.
I hope I have as much impact as possible on my tauira, but I think this girl has some really great skills. It's worth going the extra mile above and beyond. It was a surprise to her, so she just said, this is typically Teresa, was I worthy? And I said, absolutely, absolutely.